Alright, now I'm endeavoring to do something else. It's a 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan, rear motor support. I watched the video on it the other day. I went ahead and ordered my parts. Now right back in here is where that baby doll is. There's a bolt there that has to come out. And I think it turned around here. Right there. And one back there. That may be, I believe there's two. There's got to be one on both sides there. And they look like probably 15, 16, I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to take that out, or attempt to take that out. I got a new one over there. You can see a bolt there. There's a bolt on the other side. Then that right there. And then there's two bolts on the back side over here. Yeah, two more bolts right there. So I'm going to take those out, and then we'll see what happens. Doesn't say you have to have a transmission jack or anything. And that thing's broke all to pieces. That looks like a 15, maybe a 16. So we'll see. I'll know in a little bit. I don't know if you can tell much about it because that sun glare coming through. But there's the old one. Look at this. And it was just like I said, there's four bolts. One, two more back here. And this goes in. This right here goes in just like that. I'll show you. This is nothing at all. The chain's a little hard to get to. You can't see nothing up in there now. There's where it come out. And I mean, it just, once you take them four bolts out, and that bolt up there in the top, ain't nothing to it. It's a little greasy and dirty. I got a seal I got to put in right there too, and I know it's just leaking pretty good. Not going to do it today, but it would have been a good time to do it when I had that off of there, but anyway. We'll see. I don't know if it'll slide there. I don't think it'll slide far enough without taking that axle out. That would have been an opportune time. But anyway, I'm not going to fool with it right now. See if I can put that in with one hand. Goes in there just like this. Now there is a line that you have to jump over right there. And I ain't jumped over it yet. I don't even know if I'm up there yet. Yeah, there it is. You can tell you have to jump that line right there. Nothing to it. I'm going to go ahead and put my big bolt, if I can find it, in there. Maybe. Because that'll help me line up the other holes. Alright. Now then, I don't know if I can do this one-handed, but I'll try. Well, throwed all them over here. Now then, see if I can. It should be fairly close to the hole. There it is. There's one, Ooh, I bet that's going to be fun. Get that one in. Can't tell. I can't see nothing for the, oh, I'm in front of the light. Now then. Let me see. This one back here. Either one of these will start. Huh. I don't know. Ooh, that's way around there. That ought to be fun. Thing right there says it's got to go way around there. I'm going to have two hands to do that. When I get it done, I'll come back. I don't know if you can tell much about it with that up in there, but I finally got all four of those started. It was not the easiest thing in the world to do, but I did. I had to do a little pulling and twisting. But anyway, I got them all started. Now then, let's see if we can get them snugged up enough to make a difference. That was good. I can't do much one-handed. Can't do too much two-handed. I will go back over that and tighten the heck out of them. If I can get all of them tight. I think I can. Then alright. Now the only thing I like is that one up there. Get this thing where I can see it. I don't know if this one will do it or not. I can't remember what size it is. And like I said, this is not one-handed stuff. It's just not my forte. Let's see. My light ain't good up in there, is it? Alright, didn't go up in there all the way. Pretty close. Don't like much. It'd be nice if I could get a light in a better place, but I don't know. Alright, I can tighten it up the rest of the way. That dude's in there. All I got to do is snug her down. So that wasn't that bad. I didn't have to jack the motor up or nothing. Just take the bolts out, slide the old one out, put the new one in, put the bolts in it. Let her go, boys. But anyway, that's the end of this video. I'm going to go ahead and... There's my light. I was wondering what I did with it a while ago. That one's better, but it gets in the way. Let's see. Right there. Brand spanking new. It wouldn't, I mean the other one was wore out, but the only time you notice is when you got the strain backing up, it would pop. But anyway, got her in. So I appreciate you guys, and hopefully that'll help you some. That's the only reason I do this, because just to show folks that you can do it if you set your head to it. Of course, I'm an old motor head anyway, but this stuff is fairly simple. A little hard the older you get, but anyway, it can be done. So I will talk to you guys later.